friends, welcome back to iPhonetopics.com. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this iPhone camera won't focus error. So I'm having few solutions today, so let's get started with the solution. Solution number 1, remove your case. That is, if you are using any case for your iPhone, just remove it and use the camera to focus very well. Solution number 2, use your palm. That is, use your fingers to tap near the camera so that you may get a clear focus. This worked for many. Solution number 3, use your camera button. That is, launch camera on your iPhone. Press and hold this button until you get the clear focus. If this solution is not for you, try for the next solution. Solution number 4, lock the autofocus. That is, launch camera on your iPhone and press on the screen so that you can see a yellow box over there. Just press and hold it until AE and AF lock is enabled. So this will make you to have a clear focus. So try it out. If this solution is not for you, try for the next solution, that is restart of your iPhone. That is, press the volume down button and the side button and restart your iPhone. Solution number 7, check for a software update. That is, tap on settings and tap general and select software update. Wait for a few minutes and check if you have any software update. If not, try for the next solution. Solution number 8, try for the factory reset. That is, launch settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on general. Now scroll down and select reset. You have an option called erase all content and setting. Just tap on it. First, before trying this out, have an backup on iCloud or iTunes and start this process and tap on erase now. So I hope these solutions will fix your problem. If not, try to contact Apple support. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to iPhonetopics.com.